Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install your WordPress templates and start customizing your website. So how to install a template for your website on WordPress. So when you're already in your WordPress dashboard, as we can see, this is the default template we have. These are the default things we have. So I've not yet installed any template yet. So this WordPress default template or things I can see. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. So first let's go to appearance and we'll click on themes. We are going to use Astra themes. So you can just, if you see you're already seeing Astra, so you can just activate it. Or if you are not seeing Astra, you click on add new themes and you search for Astra. Then you are going to see this theme. It's like I've already installed the theme, so you will see install and you click install, then you click activate. If I activate the theme, now I've already activated my Astra themes. Then I go to get start with starter template. Then I click on starter template. If it does, then I click on starter template and it's activating. I'll wait for my starter template to activate. Alright, here we are. So you click on build with template, not with AI. You click on build with template. Yeah, these are templates, guys. Thousands of templates that we are seeing. As you can see, we have premium and free templates. So if you have Astra Pro plugins, you have access to all the templates. But since we don't have Astra Pro yet, we'll look for a free template and use it. Astra is also you can have it as a third-party plugins, taking it from somebody, and now you upload it and install it, and you're going to access all this template, as you can see. So you can hover on, if you hover on business, you can look at related to what you want to do with your website, related with the type of website. You can see agency, restaurant, hospital, construction, whatsoever. You click on it, will give you the template related with all these things. So if we click on restaurant, for example, now we are going to see template related restaurant templates that are selling food, people order for food, free and pro template. So depending on what we want, I will take e-commerce. You can still search it up here. You can still search for your template. I'll take e-commerce. And wait for our templates to load. Alright guys, we can see numerous e-commerce templates, free and pro as well. So I would like us to work with, let's take this template. You can click on the template as well and see it better if you really like to use the template. So let's see the template. Let's take a look. If you have a template that you already purchased on a site somewhere, because there are premium template that you can buy somewhere, premium theme, you can upload them here. That is already on your machine, but that one is for advanced level. So for now, let's work with the template that we have. So this is the template. I can scroll down for us to see the template better. So this is the template. So if you want to continue with the templates, you come here. You can go back. You can click to go back and select another template, or you choose to continue. Let's continue. Then you can skip this step and fill this information, your name. Let me just give my name, your work email, then whether you're a beginner. Yes, we are a beginner. Let's take it. A website, is it for yourself, for a company, for a client? For myself. Then I'll click. Now let's take I take intermediate, but you can still take beginner. I'll click submit and build my website. Then our template is installing. Wait for it to install. So this is how you install your template with WordPress. Boom, congratulations, your website is ready, and it took just 45 seconds to build. So guys, we have already installed our template. So now you can start customizing your website in such a way that you want it to be. So you can now customize your e-commerce website and put it in however you want it to be. So you can view your site, you can visit our site. So guys, this is a template that we have already installed it. So now whenever you search your domain name, you type your domain name on any browser and search for it, you are going to see this website, the website that you install it. So this will be our website. It's just for us to start the customization, which we are going to proceed as our next step or our next class or video. Thanks guys for watching. Likes, follow and share. Thank you.